A woman named Sarah B is working as a cleaning service in the UK. She cleans houses, shops, and etc. And one day, she got a job to a house where the owner explains that his house is haunted. So now, Sarah B has worked there for months. So she is kinda used to it for the paranormal activity in that house. But because she worked it for months, it looks like the entity in that house takes a liking in Sarah B. So while she works there, sometimes she records everything on a live stream on YouTube. Let's see what she recorded.
Here we go. Lights out. And quite honestly, I've just been for a week because I'm afraid I'm gonna wee myself. Okay. I'm gonna open this creepy door. I'm not gonna look in myself though. I'll shine my shut that back up because I don't like it. Right. What was that? Right. Oh, I just did something in the room, so I'll just go to the bottom of the stairs. There's the horrible mirror. What the hell was that? Have I to really cope there? Oh! What? God. You can't scare me, you bastard. I'm coming. Sorry for swearing, people. Someone's just moved it back. Oh. The fucking hell. Okay, Fred, if this is you, piss off. I am your friend. I'm coming up. Well, I'll just have a rest. Right, you stop bloody banging your cow. I'm coming up. You're not scaring me. Right. This is little... What? Sounds like there's something in that bedroom. Sometimes it opens the door for you. Emma, if you're in there, can you open my door, please? That's the attic. Can you let me in, Emma? I don't know where to go now. Dare I go towards it? Open door. What the fuck was that? It's not funny when you're on your Todd. Emma, open door for me. Okay. Fuck that. I'm up to the top of the stairs. Fuck it. Come on, Kelly, you've been in here 1,000 fucking times. Come on. I've been to the toilet, I will tell you. But it's the other end that's coming out. Right, that door has just opened. It's still moving. I hope people can... I'm going to go into Philip's bedroom now. Ah! Fuck. I'm alright. Oh God, I'm having a heart attack. Okay, Emma, I'm sorry. This ain't gonna last long because... And the door's shut again. Right. I will say there's a doll's house in there she plays with. Now, this is the creepy parents' bedroom. What the frig? I'll just show you around in here. Can you... What? Hello? I've just heard somebody on the stairs. Some stupid person. Okay, that is it. That is it. I dare go down the suite upstairs. Fucking hell, fucking hell. Right. I'm going to go in Philip's bedroom. It's in that cupboard, and it is the airing cupboard. So that's where boiler is. And it sounds like it's just... Someone's just come up the back of me. Fucking door. Bollocks. Now I want to go back down now. I want to go back down now, seriously, and I dare twatting move. Hello? I'm sorry for camera checking, but it's... Big mistake, this doing this cleaning at night. Stupid mistake. Right, I'm coming back to the stairs. I don't... Ah! Fucking hell! Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, I don't want... Come on, I'm going to man up now. Well, not man up because I'm a woman. I'm going to woman up now. Come on. Can anybody hear what I can hear? Can you hear it, Chris? That's it. Hold on, let me go. Oh, I can't. I have to pass it. Fucking hell. Right. All right, just leave me alone for 5 till I get downstairs, please. Just leave me alone. Somebody's just said something to me. Who's on? Oh, I'm going to shit myself. What? Right, I'm coming out, wherever you are. This isn't funny no more. This is not funny. Fuck off. Right, I've just shut door. Bed, I'm going to sit on the fucker. I daren't move. Oh, someone's just stopped on that cupboard. Jesus Christ. I'm sat here. I am shitting it. I've shut door. You know, Chris, this is what we hear all the time, but when we're in house and we're talking, we're taking a notice of it. But, does anybody want me to ask anything? What the fucking hell? Are you sure you heard breathing sounds? Are you sure it's not me, Chris? Oh! Oh! I want to go down. All right, I'm sorry. I'm not... Fucking, I'm freezing. Some freezing's coming past the bedroom. What was that that's just gone past this? Oh, God. I'm going to go down. I've had enough. You heard some breathing sounds, Chris. Well, yeah, I hope I'm still breathing. Everybody look at that. Oh, Donny Osmond. Right. Do you like it when people's in house on their own? There's something on the landing. God, Chris, I wish you were here. What are you, Victoria? I think it's Teddy that's in Emma's room. What the shit was that? What was that? Whatever that were, I don't know, because it sounded like something dropping, but I don't know where. Okay. Emma, if that's you want stairs, will you move, please? Because I want to go down. The lights just come on. The frigging light has just come on. Oh. I know I'm fed up today and a bit down, and I did scream and bawl when I come in the house and told it not to come near me and to F off and all this shit, but I'm sorry. Right, I'm going to get up and go back on. Maybe I might not. Emma, if this is you, sweetheart, will you just leave me alone a minute so I can get downstairs? Please. Just leave me alone a minute. I'm coming out of Philip's bedroom now. Just leave me. Oh, shit. I can hear tapping in that cupboard. I don't know where... Oh, I don't know where to go. Right, I'm going to go on to landing. Oh. What the hell? All right, I think I've had enough. I want to go down. I want to go... Right, I'm going to go... I'm going to... Watch, because I'm going to kick the fucking teddy back. Water's running in the bathroom. I'm going to go in and have a look. There's got to be somebody in there. There's really got to be some fucking in there. Something's growling in the bathroom. Why is that on? That should be up on... Oh, Christ. I hope you're all finding this fucking funny. Right, I'm now going to turn this light off. Back to normal. Sorry, and just... Where the frig are you, Chris, when you wanted? Oh! Oh! I'm going to be brave. That sounded like... Oh, fuck's sake. Right, I'm not liking this. These... Who's at the back of it? Oh, hello? Hello? I'm getting to sound like bleeding. The vet off haunted. Oh, you know what I mean. Most haunted. Who's on stairs? What the hell? Emma, I'm sorry for shouting. I'm sorry, Emma. I'm coming out. I'm coming out. I want to go down. Will you get upstairs, please? I'm sorry for phone checking. Right. I'm going to... It's not right when we having light on. Oh! Can anybody hear these? Jesus! Fuck that. Light off. I'm coming down. Please don't push me. Please, please, please. I'm going right up against bleeding wall here. I am freezing. Hello, Emma. I just want to go down. I don't go down because I've heard something downstairs. Oh, just a minute. I don't know. Okay, Emma. Oh, please. I can hear keys rattling. Can anybody else that's watching this hear keys rattling? What the hell? I can assure you I am in here on my own. And I know we're going to do an hour, but you're getting 15 minutes. That's it. End of. Emma, please. I'm not going to go back in him. Emma, can you open the door for me, please? That one's... I don't know what to do for best. That's coming from. Chris, can you tell where that... Right, I'm going to be brave. I'm going to go back into these rooms and I'm going to be really brave now. If you don't see me after tonight, all your twats are coming to my funeral, I'm telling you. Oh! That door... Oh! That door's just flicked open. Oh my God. Someone's tapping. All right, I've had enough now. I want to go down. I daren't go down. I'm sorry for shouting at you. I'm really sorry for shouting at you. Did you? That's the bathroom. Can anybody sit in? Is it me or is that door moving? Oh, that's it. I've shit it. I'm going. I'm just going to ask the little girl that's in the little bedroom. Emma, I'm sorry for shouting, sweetie. Will you open the door for me, please? I have just seen something. I have just seen something. Right, that's it. I'm off down. I can't take no more. I am off frigging down.
This house is quite famous for being haunted. Many ghost hunters went there, searching for the paranormal. The house is the house in 30 East Drive, Pontefract. But in this case, it's just the cleaning service, Sarah B, alone. And as you watched, she regrets that she went there at night, where she is being haunted by a spirit or entity called Emma. Throughout the video, we saw that she was haunted by the entity numerous times, and she was really scared, but very brave. What do you think?